Here I have PANASONIC Eluga i3, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use the apps icon. Here you need to find and select settings. From the following list, let's scroll down and choose here language. So here we've got language and input. Let's tap it, and let's tap language at the top of the screen. So this is the full list of available languages that you can use on your device. So in my case, let me find and select, for example, the Espanol, so the Spanish from España. And as you can see right now, you can use the Spanish version of your phone. Let me go back, and as you can see, the whole list of settings and also apps are in Spanish. If you would like to go back to previous version, to the English one, let's choose Ajustes, scroll down, tap here Idioma y Traducción de Texto right here, and let's select Idioma one more time. As you can see, the following list pops up, so here you can navigate and choose, for example, English from United States. That's it, the English version pops up. Now you can go back and start using your device in an English version. So everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.